Okay, today we have JCB 4CX, so we are replacing the seals on the swivel steering of the rear arm. So both of these cylinders leak, and the easiest way for me to do it is just loosen the upper bracket, remove the pin, and put the cylinder in backwards, so something like this. And you just take the big spanner and loosen the cylinder, and after that, and nut also, and remove everything out so we can replace the seals. Once you pull the cylinder sleeve out, you remove this. This is the bearing, so this keeps your piston away from your cylinder surface so it doesn't scratch. You screw M4 normal bolt inside and pull the safety pin out. Then you use your big spanner to undo the piston. So we're gonna do that now. So I got the piston out. Now we need to loosen these two bolts and take everything out, put it on a bench, and replace the seals. No, it wouldn't go by hand, so we use the mini excavator to loosen the big nut there. I disassembled the first pair of seals. So this is your piston, and this is your cylinder sleeve, seals. They go inside. Okay, this is your kit. In this kit you have different options. So these are all the old ones that were inside. So we have a bearing. Okay, that's it. They're absolutely the same. Another bearing. We have the big seal that goes inside and seals the cylinder from the outer piece so it doesn't leak through the threads to the out. And then you have your piston main piston seal, and then you have your piston inner seal so it doesn't leak through the threads also. And then you have your seal that it doesn't leak to the outside. So this seal was damaged, so it was leaking through this seal. And your scraper ring. In your kit you also get two options. So this is one option of the seal, and this is the other one. So we'll be using this one because it's the same that was inside. Difference is in the thickness. So we'll use this. This one is extra, and this is your scraper ring. So this is some other option. So we'll use this one. So put everything back together now. I got this thing inside. So I got all of the seals and the piston. This one was hardest one to get in, but I use my hot air gun and just heat it up and just goes in. Make sure that you don't mix your left and right cylinder, because your piston rod is drilled on exact spot so it fits your nut there. So if you mix the nut for left piston rod or the other way around, so the right nut for the left or the left nut for the right piston rod, it won't fit. You won't be able to tighten it fully. So just screw it in there. But first, what I like to do, Loctite 290, and there we go. It's just for this application, so it's not the ordinary one. Just put plenty of that stuff. Some people don't even put anything on there because it has a locking pin, but I don't know, I like to just be safe. Make sure that you remember where your hole is. I'll check that one more time. So my hole is where it is, it's right there, so it's 90 degrees. Okay, just tighten it. I'll tighten that and then I'll record. Pin is aligned, it's already inside, so now we can put the bearing. Okay, now I clean this surface, because this surface seals on that blue O-ring down there, and we'll put some WD-40 and put this thing inside there, tighten it as much as we can, and that's it. One is ready to be installed. I got the other one also, seals replaced, inside also got the pin in. Now remove the screw that I used to pull it out and drive it in. Give it a quick wipe there. I got some excess of the Loctite. Give it a quick wipe. Put bearing. Now clean the cylinder because it has some corrosion in there. So I'll clean the cylinder and install everything back.